Urukiko rw'ekibiina kya NRM mu Kanungu rutebeekanisibwa RDC wa Kanungu n'orukurra eby'okuteeza akaruru ka NRM kandi abeesimbireho babiri nibahabwa urw'okubaine kwetwaza obwe baba nibaronda akaruru.
Abashaija n'abakazi barondine sente zaabo millions and millions of money. Nibarani batambura twakivugana bakazi babo n'abashaija babo. Rero muri RDC noza kutandika kubateganisa. That's not fair. So please, I continue to assure you that it is not an institutional position. RDC, not assistant, RDC, not deputy. I just say we are someone, I know we are campaigning. It's not. Those are individual mistakes and we shall not allow them to continue.
Bamwe mbesimbireho tugambireho nabo.
Cyatumije mu yebi no buzunaniza bwanjye kumunya Uganda. Kuko rushene kugamba. Nimba sakwesimbaho ninga mpagira undi kwenda buko nimba sakutera kabiri. Konkano muri yebi muri bwo nkareba ngo ebitebere nibikorwa abari barimo bakoze bari kubasa. Nanyine byo kwasa gukora kusinga byubakoze.
Sinkagira ngo ababe bariho ninga bari kwisha abatwiro ngo tibakozire ni manyangu yine kibakoziro mukwe basako abo konka ko kumuri kumanga uruhanga bugyoma kamuhanga wenka kandi yamuhereza okuba to selection nyoni ndeba mukanungu nekenga kirisinga haha ekirisinga cheyini
ine kutereza kurungi security y'abantu kuranga tutwara abanisibwa kandi kimwe muri gebyo inabaroizingamo issues zimwe ba assistant RDC z'abakusene bejumbo mu karuru bariyo mu campus ziri kurondera kandi sakaruru nikimanyisa ngo barabara kora kandi bine kwetereza kurango bari kusavinga office zabo ya president.
Omugani makuru ofisi y'omujokero wa mukuru w'ihango mu district ya Mutomera bwira bari kwenda kuteganisa mu campaign okwikirizana neberagireho byatirwa ofisi ya NRM.
That in Mutoma we are going to have successful campaigns. Echakabiri the security team we are very ready. We are very ready to ensure that security is available.
So in that way, manpower to so when it comes to financial support, had you had Romundo Kapu or Garhin and also the South, your financial support to the city. But we are not saying you give it to us.
Tukashashora sente milioni 3 utwawahandikisa twantumanya ngo izi sente za kuyamba umbintu kebi konka pate yitu teka turekire izi sente tuyoneza kuzisa kandi okuza kutuyamba twakora campaign ziri peaceful ka pate mu ya inari
okora urukwirwe ofisi ya RDC ahabwa district ya Mutoma omurukiko rw'abesimbireho kuhayanira kwate bendera ya NRM ahabwa district hamwe n'abarukayanira ya chairman wa district G
konka mwene byarugwa byacubira tutwarwa mutakumanya nchakare ntitandika tuta batwereka mwe nare muteyine bikozesa twatunga road map kandi twenda kushora kuronda karu hati nyonkanya yesimbira ntebe y'abakazi ni district yone uzimazima ni impango hata 2010 wanja ngutinyine road map hati ninta kumukunda atandike nyenchakare
nyonkanye kakande takinkushaba ninshabangu security byagamba ebene byo yatumunkora ebene byo yakurata kandi bagamba batakabirgaho kandi bakakora ebindi abo kubo butosha twire ntureba shanga ngo security actually kente kateka yitu ito bako bari yo kwabesimbira nango batari yo mu ndebe cyane tubantu teka ngo security nebwera aharubaju orwa incumbent
amakora gagasha kwa Ali Waswa na Ben Muhozi.